Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
What's with the balloon? Secret! Oh, tell me, please!
Oh yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder!
You, sir, are officially incognito.
You're alive! Man, you're here! I can't believe it!
About something to drink. Stop at Flo's VA Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66. No.
It means the train is gonna pass soon.
The train?
¡Qué gran escape!
Cruise! I knew you had something. And now look at you. Oh, glad Jessica likes this McQueen. It's really getting him into the zone.
Looks like we got some work to do.
You hear the glow?
You don't have three-wheel brakes, so you gotta pitch it hard. Break it loose.
St. Louis, a Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
I thought it was just a preview, and I didn't realize I was paying for it. TPS that.
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
Your blinker's on!
What? No, it's not.
Hey! Your blinker's on!
Good time back.
Magic, the sound.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School.
Also, the Brazilian race car.
Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That's crazy old.
Third.
Customers, everyone! Customers! Okay! All right, everybody calm down. It's been a long time.
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Bonita música.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
I'm having a tornado in the train.
and found himself trapped in the wild. Feared dead, he emerged 36 days later.
Quinn tiene que alcanzarlo. Está intentando por dentro. ¡Wow! Es como un portazo.
Heard about it before.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government!
Hey, yo, DJ!
Don't worry, Mama. My queen is very sad.
Over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari. Which one of... Huh?